Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to find effects in WhatsApp status. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to simply open up my WhatsApp right here. After open up my WhatsApp, I'll go to update right here. So it takes us right. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on my status right here. That's going to take you right here. Now we can add effects to picture or video. And before you can have the effect features, you need to make sure you update your WhatsApp to latest version. Having updated your WhatsApp to latest version, you are going to see the effect features right here. So simply click on that. And then it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on effects. So you have different effects right here. So you can swipe and then choose any one of them. So use camera effects to provide a more expressive experience. Some effect will mimic your face and hand. Your personal call and message remain end-to-end script. What you need to do is to simply click on continue right here. Alright, so having selected the effect, next thing you can do is to simply make a picture. And you snap the picture. Once you snap the picture, if this effect was applied to my face, you will see that emoji sign on my face. And once you take a picture, simply click on here to write your caption and then simply hit on OK to post the status into your WhatsApp status. It's as simple as that. You can explore and use different types of effects in WhatsApp status. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.